guys, welcome back to my channel. Abby here, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. Today I am doing a clean out of my fridge. It's something I've been needing to do for a while, and I decided to film it and share it with you. I'm kind of curious who out there is a really super organized person who keeps their fridge super tidy and clean all the time. If you're out there, I commend you. And if you're not, and you're in the same boat as me where your fridge consistently just gets kind of disarrayed and really messy, give me a shout out, leave a comment so I don't feel so alone, because my kitchen is not one that is perfectly organized. Although I think those kitchens are beautiful, that just isn't how I am. So I routinely have to go through my fridge and clean it out. So I figured I'd just share it with you. If any of you out there can relate, there you go, a little bit of inspiration to clean up your fridge and keep it organized, because an organized fridge actually does help you eat healthier in the long run and do a better job with your meal prep and everything like that. So that's kind of the goal today, is to organize it, clean it up, and so I can see all the fresh produce that I just bought. Discount grocery haul with tons of great fresh produce, and I want to make sure that we eat that up and don't waste it. So we're gonna go ahead and see what's in my messy fridge. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it inspired you to not worry about being perfect so much, but just to get the job done, because an organized, cleaned out fridge is actually helpful. It doesn't have to look like everything you see on the rest of YouTube or Pinterest. As long as you get the job done and it works for you and your family, that's what matters most. So I hope that inspires you to do that for yourself in your kitchen today. Again, subscribe if you are new to see upcoming videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!